Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so today we are unpacking an absolutely fascinating piece of source material. It's an explainer diving into something called the AI Idea Monetization Squad. If you're a beginner eye in the world of passive income, it can feel totally overwhelming. Well, this document pitches a completely hands-off approach. It basically outlines a system where an AI avatar acts as your 24/7 business partner. No joke. I'm super excited to walk you through exactly how they claim this works, step by step. Let's get right into it.
Okay, let's dive into this, because the source material doesn't beat around the bush at all. Look at this quote right from the text: solving the reluctance to sell and the appetite for high returns. Bam! That is the foundational pitch right there. The creators know that most people looking for a side hustle are, let's be real, terrified of actually selling things. We want low effort, but we want high rewards. This whole system is built around feeding that exact psychological need.
So here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The traditional sales dilemma. 2. Your AI automated avatar. 3. Intercepting global traffic. 4. The system in action. 5. 2 steps to launch. And finally, 6. The 1200x ROI goal. Let's kick things off with Section 1. The traditional sales dilemma. Escaping the pressure of MLM. If you've ever looked into starting a side hustle, especially network marketing, you've probably felt that instant dread. The source text makes a really stark comparison between the old way and their AI way. On the traditional side, you've got this heavy burden of forced recruiting, awkwardly pitching to your friends and family, plus the financial stress of monthly auto ships in a garage full of inventory. But then, on the flip side, their proposed AI way flips the script entirely. Zero sales pressure, zero inventory, just automated global lead generation. You can see why a beginner would find this incredibly appealing, right? It literally removes all the scary barriers to entry. Moving right along to Section 2, your AI automated avatar, building a 24/7 virtual partner. Now, what's really interesting about this concept is exactly how they claim to remove all that pressure. The document introduces this very specific phrase, passive precision traffic interception. It sounds like a mouthful, but it's basically the engine of their whole pitch. The idea is, instead of doing what they call obnoxious active selling, the AI seamlessly transforms your business model. It intercepts traffic, meaning people who are already out there searching for what you have, and passively pulls those highly targeted potential customers right to you. So, what is this AI actually doing? Well, according to the source, it handles a whole checklist of tasks. It analyzes the specific pain points of your target audience. Then, it designs promotional copywriting entirely for free. So no, you don't need to be some master copywriter. It specifically hones in on people searching for phrases like financial freedom or zero-cost business. And the best part, for anyone wanting truly passive income, it operates 24/7. It's pitched as this relentless, non-stop prospecting machine that never sleeps, never takes a coffee break, and never asks you to write a single word of copy. That brings us to Section 3, intercepting global traffic, the multilingual SEO mechanics. An AI is really only as good as its reach, right? To capture a global audience, the document outlines a pretty fascinating multi-language SEO strategy. First up, multilingual output. The system literally translates your promotional copy into Chinese, English, and Vietnamese to cast a massive global net. Then, it focuses heavily on SEO optimization, specifically trying to rank your content on Google search for high-intent keywords like earn USD at home. Finally, it uses a video co-broadcasting engine to push your custom referral codes daily on platforms like YouTube. It's a three-pronged attack designed to maximize your visibility across search engines and languages. All right, Section 4, the system in action, a day in the life of your AI. Now, SEO talk can get a little abstract, right? Especially if you're totally new to digital marketing. So let's make this concrete with a simulated user journey. I want you to ask yourself, how does this automated workflow actually capture global clients while you're literally fast asleep? If you're totally hands-off, what exactly is going on behind the scenes on any given day? Well, based on the text, here's what a 24-hour cycle looks like. In the morning, the AI is already up and at 'em, analyzing global search trends to see who's looking for passive income. By the afternoon, it's taking those trends and auto-generating customized multilingual content. Then evening hits, and the co-broadcasting engine pushes your specific affiliate link. In this explainer, it's for a platform called LiveGood, straight to Google and YouTube. And finally, overnight, while you're snoring, precision traffic is intercepted by all that content and routed directly to your specific referral page. It's like a giant funnel working tirelessly in the background. Let's move to Section 5 and see how this builds. 2 steps to launch, starting the engine. Let's bring this down to the actual concrete requirements.
How do you turn the key in the ignition? The source document outlines 2 very clear actions you need to take to participate. Step 1. Apply for LiveGood. This requires an upfront investment of $139.95 USD, which covers a one-time affiliate fee plus your subscription for the entire year. Step 2 is where the AI comes in. You join their mutual benefit plan by submitting your brand new LiveGood referral code. Submitting that code is the trigger that supposedly activates the AI system to start broadcasting on your behalf.
And this brings us to a huge selling point in the document. Once you've paid that initial $139.95 to access the platform, the cost to join the mutual benefit plan is claimed to be exactly $0. Yep, $0. That gets you a whole year of daily AI co-broadcasting and copywriting. They frame this entire AI marketing engine as just a totally free bonus on top of your subscription.
And that brings us to our final section, Section 6, the 1200x ROI goal. Breaking down the claims.
Okay, we've seen the mechanics and the startup costs. Now we need to objectively look at the financial goals they're presenting, and they are incredibly bold. So the crucial point is this staggering return on investment claim. If you subtract the one-time affiliate fee, the annual subscription itself is roughly $100. Then, look at their projected annual income goal if you reach their diamond level. It sits at $120,000 USD. The source explicitly markets this as a 1,200 times return on your annual investment. That is massive.
Just to summarize this ultimate objective, the whole pitch is designed to get beginners to LiveGood Diamond member status, entirely by using automated AI traffic. Once you hit that tier, they project a global revenue share of over $10,000 USD every single month. That gets you to the $120,000 annually we just talked about, and they drive this point home constantly. This is supposed to be continuous, stable, passive income achieved without ever stacking a single box of inventory in your living room.
We've unpacked the mechanics, the SEO strategies, the upfront costs, and the massive financial projections straight from the source. It is undeniably a compelling pitch tailored specifically to wipe out a beginner's fear of sales. But the final thought I want to leave you with today is this. Does this AI-driven, entirely hands-off approach actually align with your own passive income goals and risk tolerance? It's definitely a fascinating model to decode, and I really hope this explainer helped clarify exactly how this idea monetization squad claims to work. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll see you next time.